Well, I'm very excited. We have an event on November 2nd, which is our Harry T. Wilkes Distinguished Lecture Series. We're bringing in a great speaker, actually, Jeff Orlowski, who is the director of the #1 Netflix documentary, The Social Dilemma, which won 2 Emmy Awards in 2021. It deals with the impact of social media on our lives, our well-being and our democracy. It's a big topic. Jeff Orlowski is a director who's dealt with some of the big topics of human events in his other films, climate change and the impact of social media, which I think is one of the topics that affects everyone, but we don't talk about it enough. I think anyone who is on social media or is even affected by social media, which is pretty much everyone that doesn't live under a rock these days. He's a smart director, someone who really looks at the issues that are affecting our society. And those include also mental health. So that's also a big issue with especially younger people who interact a lot more through social media, and how the platforms are actually designed to actually understand that, I think gives us a little bit of empowerment in how we choose to use social media and choose to interact with our friends and neighbors and the community at large.